Imagine waking up 1 year from now and barely recognizing your own life, your habits, your mindset, your opportunities, even the way people look at you. What if all of it could change, starting today? Jim Rohn believed transformation isn't a miracle, it's a method, and in the next few minutes, you'll discover the exact principles he used to turn ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to hear might become the roadmap that finally unlocks the life you were meant to live. 1. The power of taking responsibility. Jim Rohn's first rule is simple but life-changing. Your life only changes when you change. And while that may sound like a cliché, it is one of the most difficult truths for people to fully accept. For the next 12 months, make a commitment to stop blaming circumstances, people, or your past. Because the moment you blame, you surrender your power. When you say, "My job is the reason I'm unhappy," you lose control. When you say, "My parents failed me," you place your future in the hands of your history. When you say, "The economy is bad," you are declaring that the external world determines your internal success. Responsibility is not about fault, it is about authority. You might not be responsible for what happened to you, but you are responsible for what happens next. And this distinction is what separates victims from victors. Once you accept that your results are yours to shape, you gain unlimited power. It means you can design new habits, create new outcomes, choose new reactions, and pursue new goals. You stop waiting for rescue and start building your own rescue plan. Most people never see change because they cling to their excuses more tightly than they cling to their potential. Responsibility is uncomfortable at first. It forces you to face your flaws, your decisions, and your patterns. But it is also liberating because now the solution is in your hands, not out of your reach. This mindset shift alone can transform your entire direction before you even take your first step. When you fully embrace responsibility, you begin to ask empowering questions. What can I change? How can I grow? What can I learn? What action can I take today? Those questions unlock possibilities that were previously invisible. Responsibility is the birthplace of personal power, and personal power is the foundation of transformation. If you commit to it for 12 months, with honesty, consistency, and courage, you will look back 1 year from now and barely recognize the person you used to be. 2. Upgrade your daily habits. Rohn said, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day." And this one principle explains why some people transform their entire lives in a year while others stay stuck for decades. Your days build your weeks build your months, and your months build your life. Nothing changes until your daily patterns change. That is why the next 12 months should become a deliberate, disciplined reconstruction of your habits. Replace habits that drain you with habits that build you. Start with small, manageable actions. Read 10 pages daily. Move your body. Walk, stretch, train. Track your progress so you can see the story your habits are writing. 30 minutes spend learning a skill that can elevate your value. These may seem insignificant in the moment, but that's the point. Small disciplines are easier to execute consistently. And consistency is the engine of transformation. When you accumulate tiny habits each day, you slowly shift your identity. You begin to see yourself as someone who follows through, someone who improves, someone who invests in their future. That identity shift is stronger than motivation. Over 12 months, these small disciplines compound into massive change. 10 pages a day becomes 3,650 pages, a full university-level education. 30 minutes of skill building becomes 182 hours, a new income stream, a new career opportunity, or a new expertise. Daily movement becomes a stronger body, clearer mind, and greater energy. Better habits create better days, and better days create a better life. Your habits are architects, silently designing your future whether you realize it or not. So design them wisely. Audit your routines. What's helping you grow? What's holding you back? What habits would the best version of you keep? And what habits would they immediately eliminate? Once you know the answers, commit to upgrading your life through deliberate daily disciplines. Your life will expand in direct proportion to the habits you master. 3. Redefine your environment. According to Jim Rohn, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This is not just a motivational quote, it is a psychological reality. Your environment influences your beliefs, your standards, and your behavior more than you think. If you want to elevate your life in 12 months, you must elevate your circle. Look around you. Are you surrounded by people who inspire action or people who justify inaction? Do your conversations revolve around growth or gossip? Do the people in your life challenge you to rise or make you comfortable staying the same? Your environment is shaping you, whether you choose it consciously or not. For the next year, become intentional about who gets access to you. Surround yourself with people who challenge your thinking, push you to grow, and remind you of your potential. Seek out those who live the values you want to develop: discipline, ambition, integrity, resilience. Join groups that align with your goals: fitness communities, entrepreneurial networks, online learning spaces, masterminds, or local events. Seek mentorship, even if it's through books, videos, and online platforms. Your brain absorbs the mindset of the people you listen to regularly. That means you can upgrade your environment even if you cannot physically change your surroundings right away. Consume content that stretches your thinking. Watch people who are living the life you aspire to. Study their habits, their philosophies, and their decisions. Your environment shapes your standards, and your standards shape your results. When you elevate your circle, you elevate your expectations. When you elevate your expectations, you elevate your behavior. And when you elevate your behavior, everything in your life rises with it. Over 12 months, the compounding effect of a powerful environment can completely redefine who you become. Choose wisely, because who you surround yourself with is who you eventually become. 4. Set clear, written goals. Rohn believed that goals turn the invisible into the visible, and this simple truth holds more power than most people ever recognize. A goal is more than a wish, more than a hope, and more than a vague desire floating somewhere in your imagination. A written goal is a commitment, a declaration that you are willing to transform a dream into something concrete. When you write down exactly what you want to achieve in the next year, financially, physically, mentally, and spiritually, you shift your mind from randomness to intention. You stop drifting and start directing. The process itself creates clarity. What do you really want? What kind of income do you want to earn? What level of health do you want to enjoy? What skills do you want to develop? How do you want to grow as a person? Most people never ask these questions deeply enough, which is why their results never change. Jim Rohn taught that goals must be specific and measurable, not blurry statements like, "I want more money," or "I want to be healthier." If you earn $10, technically you have accomplished more money, but that doesn't change your life. Instead, write goals like, "I will earn $100,000 this year. I will lose 20 pounds by December. I will read 24 books in the next 12 months. Or, I will meditate for 10 minutes every day." Specificity creates direction, and direction creates momentum. A vague goal cannot pull you forward with conviction. A precise goal becomes a magnet. Reviewing your goals every week is equally important. A goal not reviewed is a goal forgotten, and forgotten goals never materialize. Weekly review keeps your mind locked on your chosen destination, adjusting your actions, decisions, and habits accordingly. It also reveals your progress, or lack of progress, so you can refine your approach. When you ignore your goals, life becomes reactive, shaped by circumstances rather than by intention. But when your goals become your compass, your actions begin to align naturally. You wake up with purpose. You work with focus. You make decisions based on where you want to go, not on how you feel in the moment. The clearer the destination, the faster the journey. If you told a pilot to fly somewhere nice, the plane would never leave the runway. But with a precise destination, coordinates, and landing time, the flight becomes inevitable. Your life operates the same way. Most people wander through the year with a list of hopes, but no written plan, so their results match their vagueness. You, however, are choosing a different path. By writing clear, measurable, time-bound goals, you are giving your life structure, direction, and power. And once you commit to reviewing them every week, you step into the mindset of achievers, the people who know where they're going and refuse to let the year slip by unconsciously. That is how you transform dreams into achievements and intentions into reality. Written goals are not just a tool, they are a gateway to a life designed with purpose. 5. Take massive, consistent action. All the mindset shifts, inspirational videos, and perfectly crafted goal-setting sessions in the world mean nothing without action. Jim Rohn taught that success is predictable when discipline becomes a lifestyle, not a temporary burst of motivation, not a one-week sprint, but a way of living. Massive, consistent action is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Without it, even the clearest goals remain nothing more than words on paper. Action is the great equalizer. It doesn't matter where you come from, what you've been through, or who believed in you, your actions determine your outcome. Every decision you make, every effort you put in, and every habit you repeat becomes a vote for the future you're creating. To step into this mindset, you must begin by planning your week, not just mentally, but on paper, in detail. What tasks will you complete? What habits will you commit to daily? What deadlines must you honor? What actions bring you closer to your yearly goals? When you plan your week, you take control of your time instead of letting time control you. But planning alone isn't enough. Rohn emphasized, work your plan. Many people write a plan and then drift away from it at the first hint of discomfort. Winners follow through even when they don't feel like it. They understand that discipline is not about emotion, it's about consistency. Tracking your wins and failures is another crucial part of this process. It's easy to forget how far you've come or to overlook where you keep slipping. But when you measure your performance daily or weekly, you create awareness. Awareness brings correction, and correction leads to improvement. Every failure becomes feedback rather than defeat. Every win becomes proof that your actions matter. Instead of judging yourself, you study yourself. Instead of quitting, you adjust quickly. This ability to adapt is what separates those who try from those who succeed. Action builds confidence. Confidence builds momentum. And momentum is the unseen force that transforms ordinary people into high achievers. At first, progress may be slow. You may feel like nothing is changing, like your effort is invisible. But as you maintain consistency, day after day, week after week, you begin to experience small victories. These victories multiply, they stack, they reshape your identity. Suddenly, you're no longer someone who wishes to improve. You are someone who acts, someone who moves, someone who executes. That identity shift alone is worth more than motivation. In 12 months, momentum is what separates dreamers from achievers. Dreamers talk, imagine, hope, and visualize. Achievers act, review, correct, and persist. Dreamers wait for the perfect moment. Achievers create the moment. Dreamers rely on motivation. Achievers rely on discipline. And with enough consistent action, the discipline becomes automatic. What once felt difficult becomes routine. What once required effort becomes natural. That is the power of massive, consistent action. It not only changes your results, it changes your character. In a year, this transformation becomes undeniable. Your progress will speak louder than your words. Your life will reflect your effort. and you will stand among the few who didn't just set goals. They pursued them relentlessly until they became reality. Your life can look completely different 1 year from today, but only if you begin now. Jim Rohn left us a blueprint, and these next 12 months are your chance to follow it. Responsibility, habits, environment, goals, action. Master these, and you will transform everything. Your future self is already waiting. Go meet them.